This one of us found some of it. You remember we saw one sitting together with guinea fowl yesterday?
Yeah.
Possibly same or his mate.
Okay.
And because they nesting in that green tree. They come down end of August, beginning of September, and they fly to Central Africa in April, May.
Right.
Yeah. So they're just here over a short period of time.
They breed down here?
Yeah. Of the Zulus used to put the feathers of the Lilac-Breasted roller on his hat. You know those hats with the feathers on the side? He was the only person who was allowed to put the feathers of this bird on his head. Nobody else. If you get caught with the feathers of the Lilac-Breasted roller on your head, then they fine you, they make you pay a cow. That's why his name was Mzilikazi, and then the Zulus used to call this bird Mzilikazi's bird. It was him who was only allowed, nobody else.